Welcome to JCB Renault and Dacia in Medway. And here's just a little sneak preview of our dealership. We sell the full range of Renault and Dacia vehicles and a large selection of used vehicles of all makes and models. After all, we've been in business for 25 years for a reason. As a bonus, we serve great coffee as well. We look forward to welcoming you here very soon. Why not give us a call on 01634 377 244 or visit us at thejcbgroup.co.uk.